My name's Lisa, I'm Professor Lisa, and what we're going to be doing this morning is doing an owl flying lesson. So you don't need your wands, please put them away, or in the words of that very famous wizard, Severus Snape, there will be no foolish wand waving in this class, because we don't need it. So this is, oh, we have a Chris and a Chris. This is Chris and Chris, and just bear with, no, it's my bit first, not your bit. So this is Chris, and Chris is a white-faced owl. Now, can we check the Harry Potter fans where you actually are? Because I know I've got a couple dressed up. Is everybody Harry Potter fans, or have we got muggles in which case, there's the door. You should not have been allowed in. Harry Potter fans. Chris, white-faced owl. So if you're really into your Harry Potter, he was Ron's owl, pigwidgeon. Yeah, it's the same species. So all you do is put your glove up, and then eventually Chris will come. Now Chris, we've got a session at 1, right? We have not got 2 hours to do this. Okay? So plan is, you're going to come out, and you're going to have a go at flying him. So I need my first pupil. So if you'd like to come out, sir, arm out like that. Chris, well, so elbow bent, turn around to paparazzi that are taking photos, and that's how you fly an owl. No magic words, no silly wand waving, just a tap to the glove and a little bit of food. So Chris is a white-faced owl. Chris comes from sub-Saharan Africa. Born and bred in captivity, so quite used to these climates. I won't call you little witches because it sounds wrong, doesn't it? We know what context it's being used, but it still sounds a bit wrong. Right, there we go. Santa, oh, you've decided to play the game now, thanks. Phew, sweat over. Is one of the little stars of my flighting. No, we don't have favourites. You can't, because they've all got their own personalities. So you can't have favourites. They all react to you differently. You can see they're all a little bit more cheeky than others, but they are really good at, come on, stop frightening our clients. No, not yet, not ready. Give me a chance to get them out. You know, sometimes you do wonder who's actually doing the demo, who's leading it. Is it them or is it me? We know it's them, don't we, folks? And this is Solo, and Solo is a great horned owl. He's called a great horned owl. Well, let's see if you can think why he's called a great horned owl. Why do you think he might be? Because of the... He's not showing them up, really. The test flight, bit bigger. Bit bigger, weighs about 2 pounds, so the same as a bag of sugar. Arm out nice and straight, because like I said, he is a little bit heavier. And there you go, there he lands. What an absolute start. Ready? Solo? There's that. Not a snowy owl on your arm, Harry, like Hedwig, but a great horned owl. You know you should never go for looks. But I'm sorry, that didn't apply when I saw him. But wow, what an absolutely stunning, beautiful bird. We'll have some nice Right, so we'll make it a good one. This is the finale. Fantastic solo. Thank you very much. And I'm going to take them off you because that, folks, brings us, thank you very much, to the end of our flying lesson here at Battlefield Berber Play Centre School for Witchcraft and Wizardry. Have you all enjoyed that? You've enjoyed it? Good.